अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। अगर आप अकाउंटेंट या अकाउंटिंग ऑफिसर की जॉब के लिए किसी भी बैंक या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में अप्लाई करने जा रहे हैं तो हमारी ये वीडियो सीरीज़ आपके लिए काफ़ी बेनिफिशियल होगी। अगर आपने अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो काइंडली पहले सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि नेक्स्ट आने वाली वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल जाए। तो चलिए आज के MCQs को स्टार्ट करते हैं। आवर फर्स्ट MCQs इज़ in finance, risk is calculated by calculating the dash of possible outcomes. Option A mean, option B variance, option C standard deviation, option D kurtosis. The correct answer is option C standard deviation. MCQs number 2 is fixed cost. Option A changes with production. Option B never changes even if production capacity is doubled. Option C gets doubled with production, and option D is none of above. The correct answer is option B never changes if production capacity is doubled. Next MCQs is raw materials that are remaining at the end of reporting period are treated as option A liabilities, option B expenses, option C current assets, option D fixed assets. The correct answer is option C current assets. Our MCQs number 4 is under the diminishing balance method depreciation amount is option A asset, option B payment, option C receipt, and option D expenditure. Correct answer of this MCQs is option D expenditure. Our MCQs number 5 is double entry bookkeeping is fathered by option A F.W. Taylor, option B Henry Fayol, option C Lucas Pesoli, and option D all of above. Correct answer is option C Lucas Pesoli. Next question is the return that is foregone by investing in a project instead of investing in a financial market at the same level of risk is known as option A opportunity cost, option B capital saving, option C opportunity saving, and option D internal rate of return. Correct answer is option A opportunity cost. And next question is verification includes option A examining audit report, option B checking vouchers, option C checking assets, and option D none of these. So the correct answer of this MCQs is option D none of these. Question number 8 is which from the following is not amongst essentials of a valid contract? Option A lawful consideration, option B more than two parties, option C free consent, option D all of above. Correct answer is option B more than two parties. Next is in straight line method of depreciation, the written down value of a fixed asset will be at the end of life of asset as under option A rupee 1, option B rupee 0, option C both A and B, and option D none of these. Correct answer of this MCQs is option B rupee 0. Next question is which of the following is not a non-current asset? Option A capital, option B patent rights, option C property, and option D inventory. The correct answer is option D inventory. Next MCQs is a deferred taxation is option A fixed asset, option B fixed liability, option C part of owner's equity, and option D current assets. The correct answer is option C part of owner's equity. Coming towards MCQs number 12, an investment is believed to be risky. Option A if it has low returns, option B if it is dangerous, option C if its returns are uncertain, and option D if its raw material is unavailable. The correct answer is option C if its returns are uncertain. Next question is quick ratio can be calculated as option A quick assets over quick liabilities, option B quick liabilities over current assets, option C current assets over current liabilities, and option D none of these. Correct answer is option C, current assets over current liabilities. Next is fund flow statement and sources and application statements are option A synonymous, option B antagonistic, option C both of above, and option D none of above. Correct is option A synonymous. Next question is combination can be best described as option A restructuring of capital of a company, option B reduction of capital of a company, option C amalgamation of two different types of business, and option D all of above. Correct answer is option C amalgamation of two different types of business. MCQ number 16 is sales budget must be prepared. Option A independently, option B depending on product capacity, option C based on sales forecast of market, and option D both B and C. Correct answer of this MCQ is option C based on sales forecast of market. Partners in Pakistan can today be fixed at the following numbers: option A 20, option B 50, option C 75, and option D 100. Correct answer is option A 20. So students, this is all from today's topic. मिलते हैं हम अगली वीडियो में. Until then, अल्लाह हाफिज़.